Hey, this is Tyler Whitman. We are at the Penthouse in the Campanile, coming from Sutton Place in Manhattan. This penthouse comes with incredible design, completely reimagined from top to bottom, and I am confident to say there is truly nothing else like this home in Manhattan. We are right now standing in what I suppose you would call the grand entrance hall of this incredible home. Other incredible details here are these beautiful marble tiles. You have all of this gallery space for an art collection, and then this wet bar and wine room, which makes for the perfect hosting spot. And then my favorite is this marble sculptural staircase. Having this installed was an architectural feat. Another thing you're gonna notice is the light here is incredible. This property has 360-degree exposures and completely unobstructed light coming in, and that carries you directly into this living room. Let there be light. Prior to this renovation, there were just a few small windows where you could hardly see the views. The current owners completely blew this wall out, installed floor-to-ceiling windows, and the results are sweeping and cinematic views and a perspective on Manhattan you are not gonna get anywhere else. I love the details in this room, from the ceiling moldings to these custom beautiful parquet floors and this Art Deco fireplace. It's perfection. Can you believe this south-facing view? It really feels like you have the East River all to yourself. This is the perfect place for an evening cocktail, and it might be big enough for your morning jog. Something that every Manhattan home needs is that beautiful quiet getaway, and this one really hits the spot. From the custom millwork to the tucked away queen-size Murphy bed, this is a great room to finish reading the complete works of Oscar Wilde or close that next big sale. The owner's retreat is beautifully tucked away in the back of the house, offering the ultimate experience in privacy and relaxation, and really just enjoying these magnificent views. It's a completely different perspective than the other side of the home, because here you have the Queensboro Bridge, which is one of the most iconic bridges in the city. Other details include a marble spa bathroom that is worthy of a membership. And honestly, this mirrored bed frame adds a regal touch itself. And if you think you've seen the best, you need to follow me upstairs. This is one of the most incredible rooms I've seen in my entire career. This space includes this beautiful state-of-the-art kitchen, the formal dining room, and an incredible sunroom. And talk about dinner with a view. It's not every day that you get to experience a home in New York that has a sunroom like this, especially this view of East River. It does feel like I'm in the roof cabin of a yacht, but there is still even more to show you. In a home filled with so many incredible details and wow factors, I thought it was appropriate to finish out here on this beautifully manicured wraparound terrace. This terrace is huge. There's plenty of room to grill, do alfresco dining, or honestly, you can bring your entire party outside to enjoy this one-of-a-kind space in Manhattan. Thank you so much for touring this incredible home with me. I hope you love it as much as I do.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.